Zone loop electronics. The alpha gate peaking out.
Project number 16, Sound, Mozzi ADSR, Mk11. Envelope music. In sound and music, an envelope describes how a sound changes over time. It may relate to elements such as amplitude, volume, filters, frequencies, or pitch. For example, a piano key, when struck and held, creates a near-immediate initial sound which gradually decreases in volume to zero. Envelope generators, which allow users to control the different stages of a sound, are common features of synthesizers, samplers, and other electronic musical instruments. The most common form of envelope generator is controlled with 4 parameters: attack, decay, sustain and release, ADSR. A simple ADSR envelope generator. This implementation has separate update and next methods, where next interpolates values between each update. The normal way to use this would be with update in update control, where it calculates a new internal state each control step, and then next is an update audio, called much more often, where it interpolates between the control values. This also allows the ADSR updates to be made even more sparsely if desired, e.g. every third control update. Template parameters. Control update rate, the frequency of control updates. Ordinarily this will be control rate, but an alternative, amongst others, is to set this as well as the lerp rate parameter to audio rate, and call both update and next in update audio. Such a use would allow accurate envelopes with finer resolution of the control points than control rate. Lerp rate sets how often next will be called, to interpolate between updates set by control update rate. This will produce the smoothest results if it's set to audio rate, but if you need to save processor time and your envelope changes slowly or controls something like a filter where there may not be problems with glitchy or clicking transitions, lerp rate could be set to control rate, for instance. Then update and next could both be called in update control, greatly reducing the amount of processing required compared to calling next in update audio. Oscill sine wave. Oscill plays a wavetable, cycling through the table to generate an audio or control signal. The frequency of the signal can be set or changed with frequency, and the output of an oscill can be produced with next for a simple cycling oscillator, for a particular sample in the table.
Now the keyboard is so good, but the rate and the time and this is good, but bad. The sound bad. So now this keyboard and Mozzi NC. So Mozzi for sound here now 5. So it's here. And this here too. So that's it. And speaker, and that's it. Now Mozzi, and that's it. Arduino Pro Mini here, keyboard here, and now sound, the speaker, and here for this, and here for one. So simple. This here, the Mozzi and keyboard, and here rate, and that's it. And cup here, good for keyboard and the sound. Mozzi, pitch and keyboard, and that's it. Pitch now around here. No, I think here. Oh, here. Pitch and Mozzi. And that's it. Go to check the files and compiling and see. Good. So now compiling files. And download Arduino and good. Now the keyboard and good. Perfect. Bye-bye.
The Alpha Geek. J. Luke Paquin, Curriculum Vitae. Don Luke Electronics. JLP Consultants. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram.